Hi everyone, just a little bit of an afternoon meditation to help get you through the weekend. This is for people who have past blocks, past traumas, PTSD, just to help get you through. So what we want to do is set up your frontal cortex for better brain function, and we want to release some of the energetic guff, the energy that's stuck in there that we just can't get rid of. So remember your central meridians. The central meridian runs from your pubic bone to your chin. So just breathe and run it a few times. I safely release all past blocks that are causing me trauma now. I safely release all past blocks that are causing me trauma now. I now safely disconnect my energy from my past traumas. I now disconnect my energy from my past traumas. I bring my energies into the now, releasing all past memories that no longer serve me. I bring my energies into the now, releasing all past life memories that no longer serve me. I leave all past traumas in the past, and I bring my energies fully into the now. I leave all my past traumas in the past, and I bring my energies fully into the now. Tighten your body, fingers, arms, legs, back, tight, 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 and relax. And again, tight, 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 and relax. I now no longer need to relearn lessons of the past that I have already learned. I now no longer need to release past life lessons that I have already learned. I disconnect my energies from present life people who connect me into past life traumas. I disconnect my energies from present life people who connect me into past life traumas. I am happy and healthy and living my best life. I am happy and healthy and living my best life. I respect the power of past energies. I am grateful for my past lessons. And I am happy and healthy and release the past. I am happy and healthy and release the past. I am whole. I am happy being me. I bring all of the vibration of my energies in the energy of today's vibration. I am happy being me. I am happy being me. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you later.